We're here in the badminton queuing under Coach Bobby Hybrid Badminton Evolution. Hi, good evening. We're here now in Power Up in Quezon City, Mother Ignacia. It's me, Gerard Bruno. I'm from Super Friends. So we've chosen different varsity to try out our J-Nice items, specifically J-Nice rackets. And right now here on my side is, what's your name?
My name is Alfie.
And how long have you been playing badminton?
Magpo 4 years po.
Ayun, magpo 4 years na. And next question, what racket and tension do you currently use?
My racket po is young and this tension is 28 po.
28,
Yes,
okay.
po.
And what do you like about your current racket? Yung ginagamit mo, yung main racket mo?
I like this for smash and drop, ganun.
Okay.
Control.
Control.
Yes po, and power.
Ah, okay. And talagang sanay ka na dyan, no?
Yes, po.
Okay, after trying our J-Nice racket, what do you think and what do you like about it? Yun lang.
Ang gustuhan ko po sa J-Nice racket is ano po, same, may pagka-same po sila ng bigat.
Okay.
Tsaka yung sa ano po, sa control po ng raketa, same na same po sila. Ganon din po sa power.
Okay.
Yes po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
And we chose another one varsity player from our famous university here in the Philippines, and we let him try this out, our J-Nice racket. So interview natin siya. Hi sir, what's your name and how long have you been playing badminton?
Hello po, my name is Hamokem Sarupia. I've been playing badminton for almost 9 years already.
We let you try this out, our J-Nice racket. How do you feel about it and what do you like about this one?
Ang maganda sa kanya, maganda siya pagdepensa, pero as a balance user na racket, nabibigatan ako sa ulo niya.
Okay.
So kapag mag-release na ako ng racket, medyo mabigat siya, hindi na ako nakakapalo ng maayos. Yun lang naman. Pero other than that, maganda naman yung quality niya, yung feel niya sa kapag nagtatama ako kahit mababa yung tension niya. Okay naman siya kasi nakakadepensa ng maayos na may pace niya.
Yun, napaka-honest feedback naman. Thank you for your time and for using our product, J-Nice racket. Thank you again.
Thank you po.
And we're back with another player who tried out our J-Nice racket. So what's your name po?
Hi, I'm Rasli from LPU. Matagal na po ako naglalaro since grade school, elementary, mga grade 6, ganun, hanggang college.
After trying out our J-Nice racket, what do you think and what do you like about it? Yun na lang.
Actually, di ako sanay sa medyo head-heavy. And ayun, maganda siya pang smash, pero hindi siya ganun kaano yung string. Siguro medyo masano pa yung string nila. Pwede pang i-improve.
Improve yung string. In terms of improvement, ano ba? Taasan or mababa yung tension para sa'yo?
Siguro taasan pa yung tension.
Taasan pa. Sige. More of like customization, personal use mo na siguro. Okay. Thank you so much, Rasli, for your time.
Thank you.
Hello guys, this is your Quiz Racket Talk again, and I'm with
I'm JC Batalya. Then I've been playing badminton for almost 3 years na.
and after trying our J-Nice racket, ano yung masasabi mo sa kanya? Ano yung nagustuhan mo sa kanya?
About this racket naman, this one is elastic force, extra slim ba to? Ano siya, okay naman siya kuya. Pero nanibago lang ako kasi because of the tension na nakalagay, and sabi nyo nga bago rin yung string. Then medyo siya, headlight to, mga ganun. So I prefer using head heavy naman kasi. Pero overall, especially in defense, okay naman siya.
Thanks Quiz ha. Appreciate it. Thank you. I'm with...
Sheena O'Malley. I've been playing for 10 years na, more than 10 years.
So after trying J-Nice, what do you think and what do you like about it?
Since pagka-try ko ng J-Nice, parang nagkaroon ako ng interest na gumamit ng lightweight na racket kasi mas yung control and then yung power, yung pag makikipag-drive ka and then yung depensa. So, mas madaling kunin yung bola.
Sige, thank you, Sheena.
So much as we want to make this as casual and formal as we want, eto po siya, nagmo-model po, nagpa-pageant po sa gitna ng badminton court.
Actually, I have a lot of pageants sa city namin, kaya lang, syempre, a sweet girl lang tayo ngayong araw. Ganon.
Yan. Okay. Sige, wait lang. Umpisahan natin to ha. Tell us your name and how long have you been playing badminton?
Okay. Hi everyone. I am Christine Guevara Hobe and I am playing badminton 10 years.
For 10 years?
Yeah.
For 10 years na, napakatagal. Okay. Ngayon, we allowed you to try our J-Nice racket, and what's your things that you like about this one?
I used this earlier. Oh my God. And the racket is so comfy and hindi ako nahihirapan,
Okay.
and also hindi tumatama sa may graphite yung
Nasa sweet spot lang.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
And apaka-dali niyang gamitin. Hindi siya mabigat, hindi siya as in sakto talaga.
Sakto lang sa'yo.
Yes.
Wow. Honest feedback naman yan, no?
Yeah, honest feedback, and ang lakas ko doon.
Sige, bibili ka ba ng J-Nice kung sakali?
Oo naman, why not, diba?
Give up mo ba yung previous racket mo para sa J-Nice?
Yes.
Oh, J-Nice. Baka naman, sabi mo.
J-Nice,
Manawagan
baka
ka sa
naman.
J-Nice.
Hi sa may-ari ng J-Nice dyan. Christine Guevara Hobe. Magbigay ka na.
Ayun, no? Thank you so much,
you
Christine,
po.
for your time. Thank you for using J-Nice racket. Thank you. Alright, again, we're here in the badminton queuing under Coach Bobby, Hybrid Badminton Evolution. Thank you so much for having us tonight. And tonight is Sunday. So, ang Hybrid Badminton Evolution is every Sunday nandito sa Mother Ignacia sa Power Up evening, and MWF sa Smash and Bruce Antipolo. Bagong bukas lang na na badminton court. Thank you again for having us tonight. Thank you, J-Nice team and Super Friends.